Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of security with what we proudly call the best commercial door alarm on the market. The Detex EAX500 battery-powered exit alarm. If you're looking for peace of mind and enhanced safety for your business or home, stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's a top choice for securing exits. The Detex EAX500 is not just an ordinary door alarm. It's designed with the latest technology to ensure your premises remain secure. Measuring 2.10 inches wide, 2.375 inches deep, and 7.70 inches long, this compact device fits seamlessly into any door setup. Its sleek design allows it to blend in while providing robust security. One of the standout features of the EAX500 is its patented plastic template, which allows for foolproof alignment during installation. You won't need to be a security expert to set this up. Simply follow the template, and you're good to go. But what makes this alarm truly remarkable is its intelligent circuit. It automatically senses the handing of the alarm location on the door, ensuring that it works correctly no matter how it's mounted. This is particularly useful for businesses that may have different door configurations. Security is not just about alarms, it's also about how well they're protected. The EAX500 features tamper-resistant housing with a cover lock. This means that unauthorized individuals can't easily disable or tamper with the alarm, providing an added layer of security. When the door opens, the EAX500 emits a loud piezo horn to alert you to any unauthorized exit. This is particularly valuable in commercial settings, where every door must be monitored. And don't worry about false alarms. The alarm can only be silenced with the proper control key, ensuring only authorized personnel can deactivate it. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance your security measures or a homeowner wanting to protect your family, the Detex EAX500 has you covered. Its low-cost, self-contained system is an ideal choice for anyone prioritizing safety without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Detex EAX500 battery-powered exit alarm stands out as the best commercial door alarm for its ease of installation, robust security features, and intelligent design. If you're serious about protecting your property, I highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on products that matter. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.